We're back on some iPad dashes today. We got this Porsche dash. I'm gonna put this kit in there by soundmanca.com. Bam. So we're gonna go ahead and modify this one to fit this. We got the Honda Civic center console, like JDM or EDM or fucking, I don't know, AM PM. I don't know where it's from, but I'm gonna put climate controls and air ride controller and this new iPad. It's made by VTech, like the Honda has VTech. So yeah, we're probably gonna put this one right here and let him go out and rip. Yeah, so we're gonna, first things first, we're gonna cut this to size. I'm thinking I'm gonna cut a little bit off the top and leave the bottom so we have a nice little straight gap. So we have a gap down here. So we don't have, so we don't have a gap to fill.
To make a call.
Oh shit. Who calling me? Yo, what up, love? I'm working. Alright, bye. I apologize, guys. How to get that. Alright, so this is the climate control, so this has to stay where they're at in the car. So I'm gonna go build up from here up. These are gonna get relocated into the center console. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop them off. I don't know how to pop them off, but I'm gonna figure it out right now. Do you feel like I'm gonna end your YouTube career and take over?
No, if you get big, we're both gonna get big.
Oh. So you're using me.
We're using each other.
Oh, because you haven't given me a plug yet. That's fucked up.
I put the link in there and I fucking years, bro.
Really?
Yeah. I'm the only reason for your success, dude.
Oh, my bad. Once again, I apologize. There you go, pop them all off. Oh, my bad.
Transferring scan to the ThinkPad.
PCM off. What's wrong with my fit?
Act like you're a baller, you got your turbo back.
What's Gucci, cuh? What's wrong with my fit?
Go ahead and act like a baller, you got your turbo back.
So what's wrong with my fit, though?
Little fucking bitch car, dude.
Oh, so that's how you feel, huh? So the truth comes out, huh? So the truth comes out, huh? My fit's a bitch car, huh?
I held it in for a few years.
Alright.
I didn't know you were going to keep it for this long.
Alright, says the guy that drives a little girl fucking Volkswagen. Alright. I'm glad we're getting comfortable with each other where we can tell each other the truth.
Oh, so you're going to go in on the mule?
Fuck the mule.
I did.
I have, and I'll do it again.
Right at the tailpipe?
I has no chill when it comes to that shit, G. Ooh. Mmm.
I'll warm your balls up for you.
Yo, where my air grinder, G?
Little bitch.
Some of my bitch.
Here's the air grinder you're going to buy tonight.
Thanks, Jordan, man.
300.
Thanks, Jordan.
300.
Hey, why you acting like Jordan, B?
There's Jordan's grinder.
Hey, what the fuck you doing with my seat?
Bitch, mine.
Alright.
You know whose stool is whose.
Alright.
Don't try to blast sparks through my fucking vinyl.
Don't get all up in my stool.
Don't get your stool on my stool. Oh my goodness, you dropped the tripod.
Ah, my triangular iPod.
Slow it down. Slow it down a notch.
Alright, so now that we got it all trimmed up here, it's gonna sit right there. Now it's time to cut the top piece. I'm just gonna trim all this off, glue that to the face, and we'll go from there.
Dude.
Eat this McDick.
Oh my god.
So I got this panel off. This is where all the buttons are gonna go. So we're done with that. I got this cut up. I'm gonna clean the edges up a little bit and then see what we need to do to get this to fit here perfectly. So I'm gonna get a grinder and clean up the edges. Alright, so now we're gonna clip this back in here. So now we know where it sits. We still have to cut this back section off because it's gonna get in the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and start kind of big. I'm gonna air saw all this off and then test fit it. Just cut wherever it needs. You feel me? You guys feel me or not? Yo, my followers, y'all feel me or not? Hey, yo, my fans, y'all feel me or not? Hey, what are you laughing at? I'm talking to my fans, G.
You sound like a dipshit sometimes.
Yo, my people, y'all feel me or not?
Yo, I'll wait till you answer me.
Yo,
I
got time.
Shit. What about now?
Come on, y'all, holla at y'all dog. Yo, I'm talking to y'all. Y'all feel me or what? Inglewood, always up to no good. Y'all feel me or what? I get hyped over here, G.
You're hyped, dog.
I get hyped up for no reason, B.
You're a hype beast, bro.
I am the hype beast. That awkward moment when your mom blows harder than your air compressor. Whoa, what? Whoa, what?
I'm trying to talk shit on cuz.
I'm talking shit on your moms, B.
Shit.
On your moms.
I'm trying to get up on my mom.
Yo, why you talk?
That's that stupid air saws like that.
Oh, okay.
It's like a fucking easy stroke deluxe.
So now you see we kind of get it in almost flush. It's rubbing something right here in the back corner.
What?
I'm rubbing someone in the back corner. And it's rubbing kind of on this whole side right here. So I'll go ahead and knock that down too. Because I'm about that life, B. I really do this damn thing, B. I'm really out here doing this fucking thing, B. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did a couple extra steps because you guys take a lot of my time. So I went ahead and did them without you. I grinded this so it's ready for epoxy. I cut all this bullshit off. So now this is gonna place everywhere you need. Solid. Bam. You know what I mean? Bam. Right here. Bam. Damn, I'm still hitting somewhere in the bottom. Where is it? Where is it? This little elliptical right here. Sitting here, so I'll go ahead and take that down and a butt hair too. Or you know what? I'm gonna take it down from right here because I can. Sorry if this is taking a long time to sand, but my friend Doug didn't pay the electricity bill, so he can't use the compressor. Excuse me, what's up?
Why'd you flip the switch, you dumb hoe?
Yo, I'm YouTubing. Mind your business. Jesus, quiet on the damn set.
Keep your dick in your ass.
Quiet on the goddamn motherfucking set, B. Shit, cuz.
Shit. Holler at the dog, why don't you?
Yo, I said quiet on the fucking set, cuz. Where's the switch? Swamp cooler?
Yeah.
And it doesn't say compressor on it, stupid. So I think we finally got it where we want it. It's gonna sit flush in the bottom, flush up top. And I'm gonna fill all the edges with epoxy so it's super solid. I'm gonna fill in the epoxy and then block it, body filler wherever it needs it, primer and paint. Quick 600, baby.
Oh, by the way. Hey, you almost done? Could you add some shit? Add some shit to that.
All right, so now, before we glue that in, we gotta glue in the magnets that my buddy Doug carefully designed onto these beautiful kits that he provides for us. So
Fuck me.
we're gonna put the suede up in this bitch like this. Drop that suede up in there. I'm gonna drop that pity pad up in there. And then we're gonna glue in some magnets. Put you right here. I don't know where to I'm gonna set you right there. My buddy Doug puts the magnets in these beautiful Ziploc bags that could also be used for selling dime bags.
That's right, boy.
You kind of set them in where it fits. You'll kind of see them. They'll want to go somewhere, you know. You know what I mean? Kind of just poke them up in there. And this is a very shitty design, so if it doesn't work properly, don't be alarmed.
Hey, quit being a bitch. I can hear your lips flapping.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I had my AirPods on. I feel like you clown on Mark from Cardio Fat because he has more views than you.
That's me up, fool. No, he goes through moments.
I feel like he's better than you.
No,
so.
you gotta push these in a little bit.
I mean, I'm just going based off your shitty design. That's all I'm doing.
Go ahead, what are you saying?
So would you agree that Mark from Cardio Fab is better than you?
What do you mean?
What are you doing? Dude, don't come on my YouTube channel acting like a clown, B. This is very serious business here that we're doing. It's no time to be fucking dicking around in my YouTube channel, Doug.
How much you paying for this data slot, ho?
Nothing.
Because the more you pay, the nicer it's gonna be.
Nothing, B. So
Fucking up that shit donation price.
look, B. I ain't paying for it. So if it's gotta be shitty, make it shitty. You're already fucking me in the price of it, so. Alright, so now that we got it in there, mocked up, we filled in the back with tape so the filler doesn't sink all the way through. We're gonna go ahead and fill her up. Alright, so we got the bezel.
There is a pause button.
We got the bezel glued in. Now we just have to let that epoxy dry. Usually it takes about 24 hours. We'll let that dry and then we'll grind it down, fill in the front with Bondo, and then epoxy the back of it too, so it's kind of sandwiched in there with epoxy. That's it. Say bye to my YouTube fans.
Oh, I think I fucked it.
Can you say bye to my YouTube fans?
Bye, YouTube fans.